wanna take me to go shopping.
What's those? You got some bubbles? Ooh, Zaya. We're gonna get those colors and these colors. If I can get them out. So we are in the natural hair section and I need some stuff for my baby. Oh, really? Let me know if you've used Auntie Jackie's for your kids. I think this is really good. So I'm looking for a book for myself. I've heard, what is her name? Colleen Hoover is very good. I think I'm gonna get this one. It Starts With Us. If you have read this, please let me know. I'm making me a basket too. It may not be a basket. Happy Valentine's Day. Wow.
A puppy.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that bye. Missing my da. Missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and knock shit. You a damn drug, toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Something on your face while you eat that. Trying to make a bad bitch behave. No, I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I would wait for you. And that damn down Julio make me fall for you. And I might hit your phone up with that bye. Missing my da. Missing that And all of this love is
I'm calling on yeah. We hit the blood and it's cops for the jealous. We hit the bag and we mug in the tear. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got it.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go. I
recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste it.
Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. March 14th. It's 10:26, and I am going to show you guys some behind the scenes of me creating content. I create all my content primarily in my home. I don't go out because majority of the content that I receive has to be filmed in my home. I mean, you gotta work with what you got, right? So yesterday I put on my press-ons. I put these on before and they fell off in a couple hours. These are the Impress color and the color white. Right. They short. Super cute. This time I had used glue. Super cute for the time being, but I'm itching for some silver chrome nails. Like, okay, so yesterday I have received the package and I actually got a refund for this, but I'm gonna keep it. So I am getting tubes and fruits for my bathroom, for my home in general, but I feel like the bathroom is the most easiest to decor. Anyway, look at it. It's so freaking cute. Like, what? My boyfriend's a hater. He doesn't understand decor. Decor. He's not an artist. Anywho, I will have this link down below. I think it was like $11, but it's super cute. Like, what? It'll be linked in my Amazon storefront, as you all know. I'm going to retouch my twist. Really, just the front half. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Cause like, look at this new growth. Like, what the hell? Ow. The new growth though. So to retouch, I'm going to use the Pattern Styling Cream. This, I love this actually. This really worked. It's so thick and moisturizing and creamy that it really defined my hair, my curls. But baby, she's $25, but she's gonna last a while because it's a lot of product in here. So $25 for a good styling cream, go get you one. This, if you are a braid out, twist out, wash and go type of girly, you need this. Like, what? This is the, I don't even know how to pronounce this and I don't want to butcher it. But this is the Mousse Def Texture Foam, all in one. And it does just that. I'm gonna try, I was never a wash and go girl, but when I seen what this did to my hair, you better believe I'm gonna, this, chef's kiss. I'm gonna have it linked down below. And maybe a code, who knows? But I live by this. And I laid my edges with this, y'all gonna see.
My mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning.
I have to fill content for this. This is the new Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors. And I don't know how to pronounce this. I need to Google it. I think it's called Phytoceramides. This is Rich Surface Hydration Formula. This is new. I think it came out, what's today? Today is the 5th, no. Came out 2 days ago. But this is what I have on right now for a moisturizer. Honey, look I actually really like this. So I have to do content for this. And I'm thinking that I want to utilize my shelf area over here for some product shots and whatnot. And then I will probably use golden hour for face shots. It is some sun out right now, but what we will see. For my content, I am going to use this light. They call it the Alex Earl light. I don't even know who that is. Anyway, that's the viral light that will be linked in my storefront. All of this is linked in my storefront. So these are the shelves I'm talking about. Boom. Like, look at the glow from the... Take this and put it right here. And have the focus be like that. That's cute. So I will be back and I will show you guys. So it's time to edit, and I edit in Capcut. You will import or start a new project. I've already have my footage up, so I'm going to select a piece of the video that I want to split, and I do a lot of splitting and deleting in between. So my key tip with editing is continue to just play with the features, splitting and deleting unnecessary footage until you get the desired look that you want for your content. I do this numerous of times, as you can see, until I get the perfect video. Okay, so now we're going to import audio. So you click audio and you click extort it. I think that's what it's called. So I get all of my audio from TikTok. So you find the sound that you want, and once you found it, you save the video. You go back into the Capcut app, you select the video that you just saved, and you import sound only, and then you drag it to your desired, starting point. And these are the final results. You can see the rest on TikTok. I forgot to close out this video. Bye-bye.